about you or anything that you do. I heard you got a new man, I see you taking a pic. Then you post it up, thinking that it's making me sick.
Hey guys, it's Jerry here, back at it again with the fucking camera. The new Wendy's in Liberal KS, bro. This shit's the most fancy place I ever been, probably in Liberal. Like, fuck every store.
Fuck Walmart.
Oh yeah, fuck that shit. I'm probably come here to Wendy's. Miguel, you said that Wendy's was so big that you could even make a fucking
Hey Jerry, you like pussy, huh?
Yeah, motherfucker.
like to eat pussies, huh, bro?
Yeah, motherfucker.
Hey Carlos, you like pussies, huh?
Yes, motherfucker.
Harrison, you like pussies, huh?
Yeah, motherfucker.
Jesus, you like eating pussies, huh?
Yeah, motherfucker.
Okay, do not do that.
No 7th grader versus 8th grader,
All
so not
right,
even
we're going to move towards ladies on foot.
Let's do the 8th grader boys.
Okay, for the championship. And the winners, you will make sure to get your names to Miss Douglas, Miss Weber. Everyone's participating. We'll get a picture here to identify who participated. Winners.
Oh yeah, 8th grade.
All right. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Hey guys, like I'm gonna do the screen right now. Woo! Hey!
No, just kidding.
This dumbass gonna crack it again. I got a new screen, bro. Woo!
Welcome.
Fucking clean as fuck.
She told me.
Like you're on YouTube. It's you're on YouTube too. Your ass is in too. Look at it.
I got him back at lunch.
Bless my fucking screen.
Let me hold it by myself.
Eileen! I saw that, bro. I saw what JP did to you. It's on camera.
Look at that, Amy.
I don't know. You'll see it on YouTube. Subscribe. Play some more.
You want me to take the guys so we can...
Oh, bro, you're on YouTube. Bro, look at your new screen. Oh, damn. It's going on camera right now.
I watched your Walmart video.
Yeah, you did? Nice.
You still watch your video?
Look at my screen, bro. Fuck yeah. This has to go first.
You can see this.
There's your screen right there. Someone taking it.
OGT squad.
Subscribe to LT Squad. Follow me, add me on Snapchat. It's right there.
Follow our YouTube, it's right there.
Here's where Miguel dropped my phone. It was right there, bro. It was right there.
And then you're like, dumbass. And I'm like,
Yeah.
it wasn't.
Throwback like 2 months ago. It was right there. Right there.
I barely replaced it.
Jerry, Loki, Jackie, I'm gonna expose the biggest problem here.
Give a fuck about you or anything that you do. Don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. I heard you got a new man, I see you taking a pic. Then you post it up, thinking that it's making me sick. I see you calling, I be making it quick. I'ma answer that shit like I don't fuck with you. Bitch, I got no feeling.